So hi guys, welcome back to Flame Wall Explains. Today we are going to see quite a simple topic which is called the grams number. Now while we talk about big numbers, you would have heard this term very often. Grams number this, grams number that, grams number is a very big number, like that. Now we are going to see what is actually grams number. So we are starting from level 0, which is succession. This is where you add 1 to a number. So 3 successed. Yeah, it's called that. 3 S-U-C-C-E is 3 successed 1 is equal to 4. Okay. Now repeated succession is called addition. Addition is level 1, where 3 added to 3, or 3 added to 2 anyways, 3 added to 2 is 5. Now succession repeated is addition. Now level 2, multiplication. Now 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, as you guys know, and this can also be written like 3 into 3, which is 9. Okay, now this is level 2. Level 3 is exponentiation, where it's repeated multiplication. 3 to 3 is 27, because 3 into 3 into 3, this is 3 into 3 into 3, as you guys know, which can also be written like this, or which can also be written like this, 3 up arrow 3. Now this up arrow is a very important concept, and if you learn this concept very well, grams number is easy to understand. Now this is 27. Okay, now a level after exponentiation is called tetration. Tetration is level 4, where it is repeated exponentiation. So 3 tetrated to 3 is repeated exponentiation. So it's like 3, 3, 3. You guys get it right? So it's this but multiplied, which is a big number which I don't want to add and show, but this is just the concept, so we are not going to go in depth in this. And a level after this is pentation. This can also be represented as 3 up arrow 3. Now remember this, a level after this is pentation. Pentation is level 5. Level 5 is like 3 pentated to 3, can also be written as 3 up arrow 3. Now each up arrow is like a level of this chart. Now a level after this is called hexation, which we are going to write in the back. Hexation. Hexation is level 6, where 3 hexated to 3. This can also be written like 3 up arrow 3. Now this is where the fun begins. We are going to step into the grams number, where we are going to create a simple function now. G1. Okay, G1 is equal to 3 up arrow up arrow 3. So 3 hexated to 3 is G1. Now G2 is 3. Up arrow, dot, dot. G1 number of arrows. 3. This can also be written like 3 up arrow G1 3. This is very hard to understand, but this is more easy. Jump from G1 to G2 is far beyond imagination. It's like so big. G2 is so big, but the numbers after this keeps going on and on and on and on. And G64 arrives. 64, which is 3 up arrow, dot, 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 dot. G63 amount of up arrows and 3 can also be written like 3 G63 3. Now just let this sink in, because this is already a huge number, and the jump from this to this massive, this to this insane, this to this mind-boggling. This keeps on going and going, and it reaches like whole stack G64, which is 3 up arrow, G63 number of up arrows. Now G1 number of up arrows does not mean 4 up arrows again. G1 number of values up arrows. So G1, let's for example take G1 as 1 quintillion. Okay, G1, this is not the real number, but for example we are taking as G1 as 1 quintillion. So this is going to be 1 quintillion amount of arrows. Okay, now G1 does not mean 1 quintillion, it's more than that actually. So we are going to take that, but this is for an example. This is called the Grams number. Now that's all. Signing off. Flame Wall.